I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare string beans. First, choose string beans that are firm and vibrant green, avoiding any with blemishes. Next, wash them well under cool, running water to remove any dirt. Finally, trim off the tough ends of each bean. You can snap them by hand or use a knife for a cleaner cut. This simple preparation ensures your beans are ready for cooking. There are several delicious ways to cook string beans. Blanching them in boiling water for just a few minutes, then plunging into ice water, keeps them bright and crisp. Steaming is another excellent option, helping to retain their valuable nutrients. For a richer flavor, try sautéing them in a pan with a little olive oil or butter until tender crisp. Each method offers a unique texture. Elevate your string beans with simple flavor enhancements. A classic combination is minced garlic and a touch of lemon zest, which adds a bright, fresh taste. For an interesting textural contrast, sprinkle on some toasted slivered almonds or pecans. Fresh herbs such as dill, thyme, or parsley also pair wonderfully, bringing an aromatic depth to your dish. Experiment to find your favorite additions. Proper storage helps keep your string beans fresh. Uncooked beans should be stored in a plastic bag in the refrigerator's crisper drawer, where they will last for about 5 to 7 days. Cooked string beans can be kept in an airtight container in the fridge for 3 to 4 days. For longer storage, blanching them first and then freezing is an excellent method to preserve their quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.